The Samsung Galaxy SM smartwatch is available in two colors, gold and midnight black. The large Super AMOLED touchscreen is bright and offers clarity during day or night. The watch comes with one strap with adjustable length. It can be customized easily. Powered by a lithium polymer battery, it lasts over 80 hours with Bluetooth mode and 24 hours with GPS on. With 5 ATM rating, the watch can withstand up to 50 meters underwater. Fitted with Corning Gorilla Glass, the screen provides improved scratch resistance. The Samsung Galaxy SM allows you to track your fitness activities. You can track heart rate, calories burned, and distance with the watch. Keep your workouts fun by using tracking GPS. Get instant notifications from everyday apps, view schedules, and get reminders with the watch. This smartwatch comes with a strap, travel adapter, charging dock, and quick setting guide inside the box. The product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking, or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.